Phoenix Typewriter here. Got a Royal Quiet Deluxe. No, actually, this is just a Deluxe. Same thing as a Quiet Deluxe and all their series of machines like this. So today we are going to replace the roller. It's got damage. It's pretty bad. This is for a 10-year-old girl, and she is not happy that this machine is damaged like this. So instead of spending $100 for a new roller or so, we're just going to put in a used one right here. That's in nice shape, and we'll do that at a reasonable price. So all you got to do here is loosen these set screws on the Platen. Actually, you can loosen that first one there. The second one, right, or the first one, whatever you want to call it, right here, this one, pretty sure this one has an extension on it, and you have to take it all the way out. Let's see if that's the case. Let's get this thing out. Yeah. So this one's got a little bit of a extension on it. It's pretty much got to come out. Okay, let's set that over there somewhere safe. And all we got to do on this side is loosen this knob. We don't have to worry about the variable or anything. Let's loosen it up. It should come off. And all this is held on, it's got a couple flat spots here. You just line your screws up with that. Let's see if this is loose enough. See, it should spin all the way, and it's not. So maybe this one's got to come out. Well, no, let's try it. Oh, it comes out. The shaft comes out. It's got a little slot in here. You got to line that up with the little slot that's right in there. So there's another groove right there. It's got to line up. So, but it's pretty much falls into place. All right, this should just come right on out of here, just like that. And this ratchet will come out with it too sometimes, no problem. So let's look at this, make sure. Well, that's sticking a little. I thought it was when I was using the button. Let's make sure the replacement is good. Yeah, that snaps back nice and good. And let's just put a little oil on here just to make sure. Here in the shafts. 1, 2, 3, maybe a little on that center piece right there. Okay, feels good. One last thing here to do before we put the roller back in. Just clean these rollers up, make sure they're pretty clean while we've got access to them. Just give a quick little wipe down. They look pretty good. They're round and not flattened. Well, the front ones look pretty good too. All right. The back one is a little dirty. Okay, so let's see. Good roller, bad roller. Let's put the ratchet on this. And all you got to do is maybe move the carriage this way and get this in there. There's a little detent down here for this ratchet, and you can release that. Give it a little better chance of getting in there with this little lever right there. Stick that in. Push it in, make sure it feels about right. And the other side should drop back in. And then we start on this side. Put the shaft back in here. Let's put a drop of oil in the shaft. Right there. A couple drops and maybe a couple right here where the other friction point. Okay, let's put that in. Just gotta line it up. There it goes. So when it gets to the other side here, oh, it's hanging up on the screw. The screw is not as far out as the other one was. There we go. Push it on through. When we get to this side, you can just feel it. You can turn the knob until you feel it line up with that slot. There it goes. And then just keep pushing them and keep turning. It's lined up now. So you know it's lined up when these holes are squared up. And then all you gotta do is get it through the frame hole there. So that's just needs a little more manipulation of sorts. And we'll get it through there. There it goes. And so the first thing is to put this knob on and tighten it. So it's got those two flat spot edges. Just line that up and tighten it on down. Kind of do like a tighten this up a little bit snug, and then roll the other one around, tighten that up snug. Or actually you can tighten this one down tight and then come back and retighten this one. Okay, so it should spin freely here. It is. If you release the paper over here, it should spin even more free. It does. It's spinning by itself. Okay, we can put this button back and it makes the clicks. Now all we got to do is put the screws on this side, so that one is, like I said, a little extension on it. But it should fit right in there. Just like that. Go ahead and tighten this one down. And then tighten the other one down. And that is it. We've got ourselves a roller that's ready to go. And let's put a paper in here and make sure it's grabbing nice and tight. Good deal. Right on through. These also had the squeaky feed rollers, so I fixed that too. So alright, it's looking good. Again, time to replace the roller. That is it for this machine. Well, still gotta do some other maintenance on it, but that's all it takes to put a Platen roller in a quiet Deluxe. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.